Hey guys, this is John with Kingdom Marketing Lab. I'm here to give you a real quick tip on how to basically leverage Google reviews and Facebook Messenger to really explode your social media following as far as the local market is concerned. And what we're going to do is Facebook Messenger. If you're not using Facebook Messenger, like marketing in your business right now, you're really missing out on a huge opportunity. I'm going to show you guys how to build an audience. And the way most people build an audience is they go to Facebook, they create a Facebook business page, they add as many people as possible, and then when they post something like a product, service, an update, whatever, they hope as many people as they can will see it. Well, the fact of the matter is usually maybe 5 to 10% of the people who actually like your Facebook page actually sees the post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to really turn this thing upside down. That way everybody sees the post using Facebook Messenger. And why I like Facebook Messenger is not only can you build a gigantic audience, a gigantic following, but 80% of people use or open Facebook Messenger messages, which means 8 out of 10 people, when you send them a message, they will open it. It's absolutely fantastic. So how we're going to do this is the power of QR codes, right? So as you can see, I have some QR codes right here. I actually built a QR code for my business here, and it's pretty sweet that I could put the logo in the middle to really customize the experience. So a lot of people, they put up a QR code for their menu, for a free service or a free coffee. I mean, you can literally create a QR code for whatever you want, right? It's awesome. And it's all hands-free, so there's nobody touching menus or doing any crazy stuff or anything like that. So what you basically do is you'll print one of these out, you'll print your QR code out on a piece of paper, and you basically tell people how they scan the code, right? So why is that so important when they scan the code? Okay, so here at Kingdom Marketing Lab, one of the strategies we use is this QR code coupled with Facebook Messenger. Okay, so for this example here, we're going to say 300 people scanned your QR code for that menu, for that free service, whatever you wanted to offer, they scanned in, right? And once they scan in, they go directly into your Facebook Messenger audience, your following, your customer base, whatever you want to call it, right? So now you have in the future 300 people that you can advertise in the future. You don't have to go look for these 300 people. Since they already scanned, you got them already, right? And then after they get put into the Facebook Messenger, then we give them that discount, that offer, whatever you want to offer them, right? So they get that, and then right after they get that discount, offer, promo, whatever, we'll ask them for a Google review, right? And it's usually about 20 to 30% of people that'll actually leave a Google review for your business. So let's just say this was just month one. In month one, now you have an audience of 300 people, and you have 75 Google reviews that month, right? It's fantastic. So why Google reviews? Google reviews is one of the biggest ways that you can actually rank yourself on Google and get on the first page. Because the reason Google reviews are so important is that us as consumers, we're always looking at reviews for vacation rentals, restaurants, Amazon purchases, whatever. We're always looking at the reviews to see if that's a good restaurant to go to, if that's a good service to buy, is that a good product to buy on Amazon, whatever it is, right? So with Google reviews, it gives you greater credibility, and you just naturally receive more clicks. And the more Google reviews you can get, and it's not only Google reviews, it's consistent Google reviews over the month. That will have Google think, wow, people love this place. We should probably show them more of this place. And then that's how you basically skyrocket on Google, right? So to give you just a little bit of context, let's just say month one, you had 500 people scan your QR code, and now you have 100 reviews that first month, right? Fantastic. Let's just skip to month 6. You now have an audience of 3,000 people that scanned your QR code, 3,000 people that in the future you can market to, and now you have 600 Google reviews in month 6. And I'm keeping it really conservative as far as only 20% of people leaving a Google review. So if we just go all the way down to month 12, that's 6,000 people that has scanned your QR code, right? And now you have over 1,200 reviews in 1 year. You are going to skyrocket in Google, and now you don't have to go look for new customers. You have a database with a click of a button to send out to all 6,000 of your people that scanned into your code. This is absolutely incredible for any local business or service that's really looking to dominate the local market. So, for example, if you own any of these businesses here, any of them, it will work fantastic for any of these businesses here. And if you guys have any questions, I said my name's John. I own Kingdom Marketing Lab. You guys can definitely check us out on explodemysocialmedia.com. So I hope this was a really awesome tip. If you have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.